Azimio koting'o Kalonzo Musyoka kod Eugene Wamalwa koro dwaro ni piny owacho oyang midhiero mar oula kaka dera momako pacho ka mangima. Ka giloso Mombasa giluwo ni yango oula kaka midhiero maduong' biro miyo sirikal keto kenge mag rakruok kode kaka dwarore. Jotelogo bende odok ne Raila Odinga ewi wacho ni moko kuom jotend migepe mane jatend piny William Ruto yiero onge kod chia mag telo.
The time has come when the Kenya Kwanza government should declare the flood crisis a national disaster. Umuhimu wa kudeclare national disaster ni kwamba once it is declared, then all hands on deck must be applied to this crisis. Na vile vile, apart from the local initiatives and local stakeholders, our global partners will also come on board ili tuhakikishe tusipoteze maisha tena hapa pwani ama kokote katika taifa letu.
Raila akiongea vizuri vile aliongea jana, wanatoa matamsho na mwambia sasa utaenda kufanya maandamano Addis Ababa. Raila Odinga is Azimio leader kama sisi hapa, and we will stand together as Azimio and provide opposition to this country. Si opposition ya kuharibu nchi, hatuwezi. Some of us have given our lives to this nation. Na ukiona unasifiwa sana na nchi za ng'ambo na sio wananchi wako, jihadhari sana.